Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of MIL vlogs and how to make them awesome. I have been making my own lately, and I have picked up some killer tips on creating truly engaging videos. So, let's get started. Let's tackle understanding media, information, and tech literacy. Media literacy is all about understanding how media messages are crafted and how they influence us. Instead of a dry definition, let's look at this news clip. Notice the emotionally charged language and the lack of diverse viewpoints. That is bias in action. A great MIL vlog would dissect this, highlighting the techniques used to manipulate the viewer's opinion. And let's proceed to information literacy. Information literacy focuses on finding, evaluating, and using information effectively. Don't just talk about it. Show the difference between reliable and unreliable sources. So, here's a Wikipedia entry compared to a peer-reviewed journal article on the same topic. See how the article uses evidence, citations, and in-depth analysis. That is the power of information literacy. And lastly is the technology literacy. Technology literacy involves using technology safely and responsibly. Again, show, don't tell. Check out this phishing email animation. Spot those red flags, poor grammar, urgent requests, suspicious links. A strong MIL vlog would teach viewers how to identify and avoid these threats. In overall, the beauty of MIL is that these three literacies are interconnected. Think about it. You might use technology or tech literacy to find information from different media, then critically evaluate everything before sharing it. Showing this interconnectedness is key to our truly effective vlog. There you have it. Creating a killer MIL vlog is all about planning, creativity, and a dash of passion. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.